unlike foreign countries in India, there wasn't anything much that was followed about it. We were just handling the way we wanted it. I mean, the schools like us, we were still into a very organized manner of providing the preschool education. But now the entire preschool education is coming under a very, very formal structure. And I'm sure that these kinds of little trainings are required for us to prepare ourselves for what's inevitable, what's coming our way, right? And I'm the Allen House teachers. I have seen your work, and I know that you guys do great activities for your children and you handle them really well, because I have personally seen you handling children in the classes. So that is something I really appreciate about you, and I'm sure that this session that Ruchi is taking, Ruchi has joined us new, but then she comes with her new ideas and everything. And everyone who comes from outside brings some fresh wave of knowledge, fresh wave of experience. So I'm sure you guys are going to learn a lot from her. She comes with a lot of experience, and definitely she'll be able to pass on a lot of things to you, and try and make the maximum of this time, because out of our own busy schedules, it is really difficult to pull out this kind of a time, arrange these sessions. Though I'm sure, Shana, we must have these sessions more often, because this is the time that they interact with each other and they learn from each other that what others are doing, and then they can multiply their ideas. So have a great time, all of you, and I'm sure you will go back with a lot of learning from it.
Thank you very much. Great opportunities and great ideas. So as we all know, teacher is a lifelong learner. Our children are learners, but we are lifelong learners because we keep on learning every day from our students and from our colleagues. So today we are going to start with a session, practice to be perfect. I know everybody wants to be perfect, yes? Yes. So that is only possible when we keep on practicing day by day. And we keep learning from our colleagues, from our students, and even from our family members. So today, we are going to be, are you all ready for to go back to childhood days and conduct the activity? Sure. Okay. So we'll start with an icebreaking session, wherein what will happen? A participant will stand, and the activity name is Two Truth and a Lie, wherein one participant will first introduce herself and then speak two truth and a lie. After doing that, you have a slate and a chalk in your front. You would just write the number, first number, second statement or third statement. Which is a lie? Let me see how good liar is this person. Okay, we'll start with Hema.
Here of class nursery, and I was born twin, and I know 4 languages, and I love my husband.
Okay. And I'm a class teacher of Prep A. I had a love marriage, and I love art and craft work, and I'm not a easily going person, and I'm not able to adapt to things very easily.
Okay, come on. Which one? 2. 1, 2, 3. Next answer. 2. Which is that?
Good afternoon all. My name is Amisha Arora. I am a teacher of grade Prep A, and I am from Allen House Public School, Lucknow. I love to sing. I am a shopaholic, and my patience level is very high.
Okay.
Third one. हो गई. Patience तो high होगा.
Okay. Next one, Shweta.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Payal Khanna. I am taking care of prep sections of DPS Sandeko. I love to drive. I am a good cook, and I love shopping.
Thank you.
an energizer. You can even conduct this type of activity with your children. उनको झूठ बोलना सिखाना है हमें? नहीं, you don't have to. This is a moral value where you can teach the child. You don't have to lie. Okay? Now we are going to the another slide. Here has
Whenever you are speaking, read the sentences because the
Okay.
Islam ko
Now, anybody's heard about this? BARK? Bark. You've heard, ma'am? Ma'am, please tell me. Just
Word learning. It's a visual, auditory, and reading, writing, and listening. So it is all about that.
It's all about learning. So you connect that with learning itself.
okay. Yes, ma'am.
This is the process of learning, like the child learns visually when he sees the things, when he observes the things. And the second one is auditory. When he listens to some voice or noise, the child is learning from that also.
Right.
The third one is reading or writing, the way child is reading, and when he writes something, sometimes because we have different kind of children. The different kind of children are learning from different ways. These are the ways when child is learning.
Start you. I'll not staple it because you're all very big.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to ask, do all kids learn in all these ways? Learning
No, ma'am.
You have to identify.
Yes, we teachers can identify. Yes.
We as a teacher have great responsibility identify कि बच्चा किस तरह से कौन सा बच्चा सीख रहा है. So we have to polish that. Okay.
So, what is a learning style of each and every child? It is not necessary if the child is visual learner, he cannot be a kinesthetic learner. Be very, the child can have two learning styles in every concept and every activity we are doing. So let's come to the first, that is visual learner. Process information using charts and graphs. Visual, as you all can see, it's just seeing. बच्चा देखता है तब learn करता है. कई बच्चे होते हैं जब आप कुछ दिखाओगे नहीं ना, they are not listening, they are not attentive, the concept is not clear. So whenever you are teaching the concept, you have to make sure all these four are there. So as you know, we all have lesson plans wherein we have rhymes connected to the concept, we have worksheets, we have some activity related just because to cover all these four working styles. So first is visual, process information using charts and graphs, need images to explain the concept or ideas. Prefer graphic elements over words. Now can anybody tell me any activity related to the visual learner? If we teach numbers, come on, let's see. Numbers.
And some objects.
We have all these charts, we have flashcards, and we use those for the visual learners, ma'am.
Right.
We show them and
We can make them learn how to count with household objects, with balls, with some visual
Ma'am,
objects.
first of all, I object in this, you never make any child learn. You make them understand the concept. Because our criteria, as for the children, they have a good grasping power. आप उनको समझा देंगे ना, वो जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेंगे. आप उसको लर्न कराएंगे, आज है वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में भूल जाएंगे. So your first and the prior most thing should be the child should understand the concept. Okay? So visual is when the child is seeing it. Let's come to the second one. Read and write. A. Auditory. Learn best when information is spoken. I think in pre-primary rhyming and story sessions and
Puppet shows.
right. So this is how you teach. Second one, prefer lectures and discussions. This is not applicable for our children. Lectures में सो जाएंगे. So please don't write even. Then process information by talking to friends. आप उनसे पूछो कि now numbers and ask how many curtains are there in your home or your room. This is how you can ask them. This is called hands-on activities. Wherein you can ask them to revise it through the lesson plan as well. Whenever you are closing the session and you have taught numbers, Ask them to read or to read any number. Like prep children, I think they're quite ready to read till 500, 300. You can ask them to read when they are passing by, to read the number. That is the practice. So that is all practice to be perfect. The third one is read and write. Prefer to receive written works. Enjoy reading and writing assignments. Process information by writing notes. This is very applicable in online. Ma'am, कौन सा page है? लिख ले. Ma'am, कौन सी book है? खत्म कर ले work. I think my teachers are facing that problem. Read and write बच्चे को बस homework करना है. तो बच्चे का ये होता है कि he is more ahead when you are giving the worksheets. When you are giving the worksheets, they are more clear with the concept because they are able to read and they are able to write. The fourth one is kinesthetic. Can anybody tell me, describe a person for kinesthetic?
Learn by doing.
Very good.
Experiential.
Okay. Now, do you think the kinesthetic learner and the special learner are same?
No.
What is the difference? A very minute difference is there.
Special learners learn by through puzzles, ma'am. Special learners are those learners not learn.
I think there's a level, like with a special child, you have to lower a level to make them understand.
Kinesthetic learners are first hands-on activities, and special children, as you all know, there are variety of special children. So, अगर बच्चा घूम रहा है तो उसको special child नहीं बोलेंगे. Special child होता है when he has some problem. So that is not a kinesthetic learner. There are many teachers which I have seen, they feel special need children and the kinesthetic learners are same. No. Kinesthetic learners are those learners which can do things and learn things by doing. आप उनको ब्लॉक में वर्कशीट दे देंगे, वो नहीं एंजॉय करेंगे, राइम बोलेंगे, नहीं एंजॉय करेंगे, वो घूम के पढ़ेंगे, वो एक जगह बैठ के नहीं पढ़ेंगे. उनको आप ब्लॉक्स दे दो. Yes, ma'am.
Like in my class, there's a child who is a special child. He doesn't want to sit and study. He always wants you to talk he wanted me to talk to him in his language, like cars, guns. So it's like
No, that is not.
He is not a special child. No? You cannot say that he is a special child because he is.
No. He's in this. I need to say that he is a special child because he has got a problem which we have faced in our class.
Okay.
Like he sometimes has a problem, like he starts feeling like a dog, like he starts barking.
Okay.
So he is a slight special, you can say. So in
Ma'am, might be his attention seeker.
no, ma'am.
So how do you handle?
He cannot. That child is not special. It is special child.
Ma'am, special children के special
They are different. You can't say special. That is what the kinesthetic learners are. Those learners who behave differently. That doesn't mean they are special. उनको normal बैठ के आप सोचोगे दूसरे बच्चे की तरह पढ़ेगा तो बच्चे को नहीं पढ़ेगा.
No, here I would like to add one thing. Like she is saying, that the child is special child. I think we follow this key whenever we are taking. We cannot say no to such kind of students. We take a medical certificate also for the same.
Have you taken the parents? I think ma'am knows it.
Yes.
They have deposited.
They have deposited.
They have deposited.
So that is there.
What they have told in that medical report?
Ma'am, actually parents they don't realize that he's a special. He has some like we teacher.
This is one of the problems that we
Parents
are not ready. And if they will be accepting this and this as an educator, as a teacher, we need to make them feel like identifying the problem will be helping us in finding out the solutions.
And even what happened, even if you tell them also, they will never listen. They will be against you.
And ma'am, you can't say directly to them your child is special.
So
You really can't
as
ask.
a teacher, you have to find out ways to tell them, and that has to be a very gradual process. You cannot all of a sudden say, "Bacha likhta nahi hai, bacha." We all have faced in our teaching career. We all have faced the same issue.
And
because we cannot say no.
ma'am, child ready है, लेकिन parent ready नहीं accept करने के लिए कि मैं special.
Yes.
You know, so it's first of all,
As a parent, this is difficult. As a parent, this is difficult. But this is our duty to make them understand.
B is auditory, C is reading, D is visual. Second, A is visual, B is auditory, C C is reading, D is kinesthetic. Third one, A is kinesthetic, B is visual, C is reading, D is auditory. Fourth one, A is kinesthetic, B is auditory, C is visual, D is reading. Fifth one, A is auditory, then visual, kinesthetic and read and write. Sixth one, kinesthetic, then reading, then visual, then auditory. Seventh one, kinesthetic, auditory, visual, reading. Seventh, read and write, kinesthetic, auditory, visual. 9, reading, auditory, kinesthetic, visual. 10, kinesthetic, visual, reading, auditory. 11, visual, reading, auditory, kinesthetic. 12, auditory, reading, visual, kinesthetic. 13, kinesthetic, auditory, reading, visual. 14, kinesthetic, reading, auditory, visual. 15, kinesthetic, auditory, reading, visual. And 16th is visual, auditory, reading, kinesthetic. Okay, so all auditories, please. 8 is the maximum. I count it now. Shana, ma'am, you? You are?
Kinesthetic, साधु में अधिकतर में
kinesthetic. Kinesthetic. Hema, ma'am? You are which learner? Which type of learner? Teachers need to be kinesthetic. Rishu, ma'am? Kinesthetic. Shifali, ma'am? R. Your ma'am? Very good. Pizza, ma'am? Kinesthetic. Kinesthetic and auditory. Ma'am, you? Reading. Amisha, ma'am? Nikita? Okay. So this is how. But can you do this questionnaire with your children? I have done this because you are grown up. You know how to read. So what about your children? How will you assess which type of learner the child is?
Right.
Right.
We can talk to them more
Yes.
because we can't ask them such questions. If
Right.
we will get to know them and interact with them, then we get to know that how what type of child is.
And the worksheets are the different worksheets.
Different worksheets are there wherein you give all the 4 things and you can ask them which one do you want to pick up. So at that time you can learn what is their learning style. Clear? Now we come to the main methodology which DPS and ANAH follows. Multiple intelligence. Their multiple intelligence has 4 intelligence with it. Sorry, 8 intelligence. 8 intelligence with it. And it is not in child, it is in adult as well. And you know what? Everybody, even you, even the children have all 8 intelligence. But one is dominant. एक होता है जो बच्चे को एक में ही इंटरेस्ट आता है. And that is either in the genetic, कि सानिया मिर्जा का बच्चा है तो सानिया मिर्जा की तरह स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट आ सकता है. Or it can be nurtured, which we do it. Now, why am I important in the preschool? As we all know, in preschool we have a overall development of the child. You are aware we have 2 brains, a left side brain and a right side brain. Left side brain is for logic thinking, answering question answers and all. And right side is creative, expressions, emotions. अगर हम holistic development नहीं करेंगे, so only the left side brain will be used. Because of that, बच्चे के अंदर जो creativity है, जो extra talent है, जो extra intelligence है, that will be not used. So that is why MI is there. MI is formed by Howard Gardner in 1983 in his book Frames of Mind. Students' brain have more than just IQ and their skills. It's not just बच्चे को सिर्फ पढ़ना आता है. He has more developed with the skills. Individuals should be encouraged to use their preferred intelligence in learning. That is why we use MI in our lesson plans. Instructional activities should appeal to different forms of intelligence. Now, here, why is attraction to the educators? As we all know, no child is same. Every child is unique. Every child has their own skills, their own abilities. So MI works there, wherein his ability, his intelligence is nurtured by us. Helps to create personalized lessons, explore, explain and promote understanding, promotes self-motivation in students. अगर बच्चे को म्यूजिक इंटरेस्ट है and you are giving the rhymes, definitely they will be more motivated and inclined towards the studies. So that is very essential for MI. That is motivation in students. Validates teachers' insight into their students. आप ध्यान से देखते हैं MI करते हैं when you are planning the lesson plan, which type of intelligence the child has. Next, there are 8 types of MIs. First is naturalistic, spatial, musical, logical reasoning, interpersonal, bodily kinesthetic, linguistic and intrapersonal. Now, we will do a one activity with all these 8 intelligence so that you know how to go about with your children. So first,
just a second, how many of you are aware of this MI? Those? Not everybody, right?
I think the coordinators, they could take this session.
You have to,
The teachers should be aware of the thing, and then only they will be implementing.
It's very important from the very beginning. Like, it's not only कि high level में जाके MI use होता है. We as a pre-primary teachers, we have to look into it and we have to learn everything in details. Search net up to आजकल it's there in the net.
I can share the PPT with the coordinators, ma'am.
हाँ, she'll share, but इससे नहीं होगा. You have to go in depth. Understood? It's not ऊपर. आपको इन डेप्थ स्टडी करना होगा ताकि आप इसको अप्लाई कर सको अपने डे टू डे जो आप एक्टिविटी कराते हो, प्लानिंग करते हो, एंड ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट ईच एंड एवरी एक्टिविटी आप जो करा रहे हो, लेसन प्लान आप बना रहे हो, ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट इन दैट. ओके मैम, यू कैरी ऑन.
Now first we will do is verbal linguistic. Verbal linguistic, as we say, is language. Language is linguistic, that is word smart. The child is word smart. People who are word smart are typically good at reading, writing, telling stories and memorizing words along with dates. They can be taught by encouraging them to say and see words. See, these are the activities. There is reading, there is hearing, speaking, writing, debating, discussion. Now you see, the work is here. The reading and writing is also here and the auditory is also here. So please do not mix both the things. Okay? The intellectual ability of the child, then when you find out, then you assess the work. Only then you will be able to assess the child and make the concept clear. Okay? So here it comes, the word smart. So now I will make 2 groups. There are chits, small chits on a table. Please write your name, fold it and give it to me. Only speaking, क्योंकि दिखेगा ही नहीं. Second group will take the chocolates and you will make a TV advertisement. I will give you 5 minutes. You can use charts, markers, colors to demonstrate yourself. You can use rhymes, whatever you want, jingles. Okay? So the 8 groups are, say 2 groups are first. Group में आ जाएंगे. Meenakshi ma'am, please come here. Chandni ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Kirti ma'am. Because TV is more of a visual, so you need to be both good in verbal as well as visual. Please be free to use those stuff. Rest the teachers, please take the slipper. And you have to make a radio advertisement wherein you are not being seen. And please be very expressive, okay? मान कितना चाहिए समझ लेना.
We need to write video for it, and we are going to share the.
The time starts now.
Energizer!
Yummy, yummy, in my tummy. I love you, mommy. I love you, mommy. Give me glassful in the morning and in the evening. Makes me energizer, makes me healthy and gives me energy. Yummy, yummy, in my tummy. I love you.
Come on.
Ha 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 ha. Merry Christmas.
Wow, Santa!
Oh,
Hello, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, and how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so what are you playing?
We were playing, but I'm very sad because the whole couple is very sad. Said Christmas is coming and they are very, very sad. What to do for
Okay,
them?
so I have an idea. You know that a chocolate, a sweet can do a wonder? A chocolate can do magic. Let's spread that magic with this chocolate.
Oh,
And when you will give this chocolate to that person, the whole couple will be happy and will smile. You want to do the magic?
Yes!
Let's come, then I will give you the more chocolates. Let's come.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle jingle all the way.
Yes.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas! So, you see the chocolate can do a wonder.
Yes.
I have this for you and for you as well. Merry Christmas all.
इंटेलिजेंस ये टाइप का बच्चा ना कोई क्वेश्चन देगा मैम ऐसे क्यों द रीजन इज व्हाई सो दिस इज वेरी नेसेसरी कि ये इंटेलिजेंस के बच्चे को बहुत केयरफुली यू नीड टू हैंडल सो लेट्स स्टार्ट पीपल हु आर नंबर एंड रीजनिंग स्मार्ट आर गुड इन लॉजिकल abstraction reasoning numbers and critical thinking they can be taught through logic games investigations and mysteries. These are all logical, smart children. Okay, I ask you one question, just a simple question. Let's see if I say A.R. Rahman is there, Sania Mirza is there. Who is more intelligent? Who can tell me? M.F. Hussain. Who is more intelligent? Oprah Winfrey.
Ma'am, actually they are unique in their way. So,
all are intelligent. All are intelligent. Because as you say, A.R. Rahman is musically smart. Sania Mirza is kinesthetic and bodily smart. So there is no intelligence that can be compared because they are all have their special intelligence within themselves. Now for this, I am giving you this worksheet. There are 4 items made. That is cap, pan, apple and tree. Now in your way you need to correlate each of them. इन चारों को मिला के correlation करना है and tell me the reason. Any correlation with them. Okay? You need to correlate. I'll give you 2 minutes, not more than that.
And we need to create a story.
No, not a story. You need to interrelate. ये क्यों है? वो दोनों में interrelation क्या है? चारों में
Pluck apples from my apple tree. I'm going to make jam out of it, and after putting my cap, I'm going to sit under apple tree and we're going to enjoy.
Yes, ma'am. Shweta ma'am.
Thank you so much.
That's an apple tree, and with those apples, I'm going to make apple jam in the pan.
Okay.
And the cap is hanging on the tree,
and the cap and the pan have the same vowel sound K.
Oh wow, lovely, very nice. Who else? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, once I was standing under the hot sun, so I decided to wear the cap, and I went near the tree to find some shade, and I saw that apples are there. The beautiful red apples are there on the tree, so I decided to make a caramelized apple in that pan.
Very good. Anybody else?
Thank you.
Yes, Vishu ma'am.
Thank you.
I have a short story that since I love cooking,
Yes.
and I was just passing by, I saw apple tree. I just plucked out the apples, and then when I came home, my son said he got a assignment from school that he had to order an apple tart. So I just became a shopkeeper and I just wore my cap. I baked an apple tart in this pan and he placed an order and I just fulfilled that order.
Lovely, very nice. Who else? Hey, mama, ready? Anybody else? Because you never know, आपके बच्चे इतने स्मार्ट होते हैं, ऐसे क्वेश्चन होते हैं, हमें सोचना पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल मैम.
So you need to be very careful, and this is called logical and mathematical intelligence. Now we come to the third intelligence, visual and spatial intelligence, and puzzles, maze, and is interested in that. People who are picture smart think in terms of physical space, as do architects and sailors. Mapping, they are very good at mapping. They are very aware of their environment. They can be taught through drawing, verbal and physical imagery. Okay, now there is a packet in front of you. I've just kept it. There is a puzzle. Kindly make it. I give you 1 minute. 1 minute pass. Chalo, that starts. Who's that? Come on. 30 seconds left. So this is called visual and spatial intelligence. So teachers, any more questions regarding this? Now we come to the next intelligence. Body अपने body parts को use करके he enjoys those activities. People who are body smart can control of one's bodily emotions and the capacity to handle objects skillfully. They can be taught through physical activities, hands-on learning activity, and role play. Now I'll make 4 groups. How many children teachers are there? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3, Ajo, 3 minutes I'll tell you the name. 3 and in 1, 4. Let's say Meenakshi in 1, Hema ma'am in 1.
Then we can stick them. And we have to sit here.
We can do it quickly.
4 minutes left. Take it here. Okay, ma'am. 1 minute left. you need to go to rainy. And when I say rainy, you need to go to autumn. Man, to come out, please. So last I come out. Okay. Now let's say summer. Okay, rainy.
Rainy is not a
Tinti. Okay. Winter. Meenakshi, come here. Okay. Rainy. Okay. So this is the game wherein you will see which of the child is leading. This is your kinesthetic game. Okay? Come on, sit down. Thank you so much. People who are music smart, good pitch, and may even have absolute pitch and are able to sing, play musical instruments and compose music. As I have given you the example, A.R. Rahman. He is musical intelligent. They can be taught by turning lessons into lyrics, speaking rhythmically, tapping out time. Hoता है कई बार you're doing some work and you're putting on the music and doing the work.
Speed बढ़ जाती है.
Speed बढ़ जाती है. Interest आने लग जाता है. Boring work भी आपको
Only the working style also.
Exactly. So that is called rhythmically smart. And the music guy. Any other example you can give of a famous speech person?
Ma'am, in music?
Music. Arjit Singh.
Neha Kakkar.
So these are all musical intelligence. So now your this thing is to give me a rap song. There are 4 groups here. Fiza is alone. Okay, you can Fiza. Ma'am, you can sit there. Anidhi, you can go. Nidhi to kar leegi.
How many of you are there? Ha! It's a crack, crack, crack. And a bug, bug, bug. Let's have a look. Be alive, be alive, be alive, be alive.
Very good.
हो पिज्जा पिज्जा आजा मेरे पास बुझा दे मेरी जंक फूड की प्यास पिज्जा पिज्जा आजा मेरे पास बुझा दे मेरी जंक फूड की प्यास तुझे देख के हमेशा मुंह में आए पानी तभी पिज्जा लेके आई मेरी बड़ी रानी
न्यूज़पेपर है आता सबके मन को है वो भाता मम्मी पढ़ते पापा पढ़ते दिमाग में खबरें भरते ज्ञान का सागर है ये लाता रोज सवेरे न्यूज़पेपर है आता यो
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, start.
आजकल की नारियां 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 मेकअप की है मारियां 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 लिपस्टिक बिंदी लगाकर करती है यारियां यारियां यारियां
कॉस्मेटिक ला दो कॉस्मेटिक की दुकान में आग लगा दो
And the ability to cooperate in order to work as a part of a group. They can be taught through group activities, seminars, dialogues. Don't you think we have already done this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
When we are working together, it's an interpersonal activity. Now, the next intelligence is intrapersonal. That is self-smart. बच्चा जो अपने में खोया रहता है, उसकी अपनी दुनिया चलती रहती है. आप पढ़ाओ, he is least bothered, he or she is least bothered. अपने में ही उनके ख्याल पुलाव पकते रहते हैं. People who are self-smart have a deep understanding of the self, what one's strength and weakness are, what makes one unique, being able to predict one's own reactions and emotions. They can be taught through independent study and introspection. So, are you all ready for another activity?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो सब मेरे के आगे खड़े हो जाओ. I will say, okay, everyone in the mirror, look surprised. So when you are looking surprised, you will say, my eyebrows are going up, my mouth is wide open. Clear? and call out the teacher's name and then you will say, okay. Look happy. Meenakshi ma'am, please.
My teeth are out and I'm smiling.
Okay. Payal ma'am. Okay. Look angry. Amisha ma'am.
My nose are like my eyebrows are down like head.
Okay.
In my forehead it's like this.
Okay, Pranjal. Okay, ma'am, you? Angry?
When I am angry, my nose is red.
How sweet. Friza ma'am?
My eyes are closed and nobody is supposed to disturb me.
That's what she best. That's what she best. Next, we can expect that from Friza ma'am. Wake up. Rishu ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm relaxed.
My hands are up and I want to sleep again. I don't want to wake up in your
That is only possible when we love ourselves.
Yes.
We can maintain, we can keep our family happy only when we nature and bird around them. They are good in classifying natural forms such as animal and plant species and rocks and mountain types. They can be taught through conducting field trips, observing nature and keeping nature in journals. Come on, tell me an activity for this which we conduct for our children.
It is not coming after the flower. And maybe the potatoes are, and tomatoes are hanging on the trees. So they don't know the difference, that how the things are grown. So that thing is totally to DPS Celtico team and our QA head, ma'am, and of course, Ruchi ma'am, who has made this session beautiful, wonderful and full of life. And because of this corona, this COVID-19 and with this online session, we all know that we are doing work, very hard work and keeping smile on face. But still, somewhere we felt like that we need some energizer, we need some updation because we are not physically available all time in the school. And this training was really required and I was feeling that yes, we need a kind of updation, and with the teachers I share something new, and this was totally new and it is recap but in a different manner. And now it is, I have received all these activities and keeping MI in mind, and definitely of course whenever the online classes will be going on, so I will just take care of this thing that yes, one intelligence if you will forward in the classes with the activities, then children will enjoy also with the multiple activities. So even the parent will also know that yes, this thing is lacking in my child and the teacher has gone with this activity and she has taken care of this thing that yes, for this activity my child will be able to learn. So this is very easy way, but only we need to follow it and on a regular basis and keeping all these things in mind and according to the lesson plans. It is wonderful, ma'am. This was really required, and I just wish that yes, these kind of sessions should be really
I think whenever you are here, they are not knowing, and maybe something new ideas which you will be sharing, that will be helping them out. So whenever we share the ideas, we are enhancing our knowledge and we are empowering us.
And this is the first